Don't flutter in court. You're not a butterfly.
I'm sorry, Your Lordship.
Please stop doing this to court. Please come to the second chart.
I'm coming.
What are you saying, ma'am? Can't you see there is an overlap? Please see page 2 first. There's a limit to everything. You have not changed. Please look at this. I changed court chapter. Look at that. You're an advocate and officer of the court. Shape. Look at that. Look at the chart. Stop your big mouth. Look at that. And look at this. Better be lying before the court. Don't defend to an extent, ma'am. There's a limit to everything. Don't lie before the court. I'll haul you off for 340. You have added January and February 2023 for the same amount. On the previous day, 21st of August, the entire security expenses was depicted at 58,000 something. In the second day, yesterday's, you have shown the same amount for the same period, but you have added January and February only.
Lordship, let me submit one after the other regarding the issues that have been raised. First of all, regarding the overlapping of bills, because whatever the answers which are answerable by the official liquidator, let me address first Your Lordship before Your Lordship, because that will be better for me and it will be easier for me, Your Lordship. Regarding the...
If all of these are answerable by the official liquidator, let there be no mistake on that.
Lordship, regarding the address and regarding the...
you appointed the security agency which does not operate from the address which has been given in the bill.
The official, the security guards has to be implemented as a party, because the point is this, that the security guards are appointed by the dint of the...
Security guards will be the witnesses in the inquiry. Why should they be implicated?
Because
how are they responsible?
Because if the address...
There are no security guards.
There are no security guards.
There's a jungle there, ma'am.
Lordship, this regarding whether there's a security guard or not, this inspection, spot inspection that they have done few days back. Now, how far the authenticity, veracity of this inspection is also required to be ascertained, because they just suddenly went, and what was the position?
I'll direct you to file an affidavit regarding that. You deny it?
Lordship, this is number one. Number two, Your Lordship, my humble submission is that regarding first of all, regarding the presence of the security, Your Lordship, we get the bills. The situation is like this, Your Lordship, that once the direction is passed for appointment of security guards, we appoint the security guards. And they raise the bills for the respective periods they are on duty. But the difficulty is that we sometimes go for the surprise visit, but there is no particular person or appointed who will inspect that the security guards are all along there or not. This is the practical predicament, Your Lordship. Now, what they are submitting before Your Lordship, on particular dates they went and they saw the security guards are not there. The veracity of the statement is also required to be ascertained, because at that point of time, because special officer was never appointed and nobody was there to ascertain either our submissions, not their submissions, Your Lordship. These photographs have been taken on some particular dates. What was the situation at the particular days? Nobody knows, Your Lordship. So this veracity of the submissions that has fallen.
I'll send a special officer, junior member of the board today.
As a surprise visit, Your Lordship. Because not now, because the difficulty is there's a lot coming to
Not now, 50 minutes after this.
Because the difficulty is like this, Your Lordship. It's a practical predicament, Lordship. Even if I admit that
today I have 3:30, so after that.
Yeah. Even if I admit that the security guards are not there, the veracity of the submissions of both the parties are required to be ascertained, Your Lordship. Because
if you admit there are no security guards, where is the question of veracity?
No security guards. But if their submissions are required to be...
Have you looked into the photographs which they have annexed? That's supported by an affidavit.
Lordship, affidavits are there, photographs are there. What was the position? What was the situation at that point of time? Nobody can know. That submission on my part, Your Lordship, without perusing the entire situation at that...
You have seen the supplemented affidavit?
Lordship, there are colored photographs. I have got the black and white one. I have seen those photographs, Your Lordship.
The color photograph will be more convincing. No,
you have self colored photographs.
No, that
look into that.
I have seen. But this
is the property which you are guarding.
Lordship. What are the dates, Your Lordship? This is at the time when what are the bills we are raising and what are the dates they have got for went for the inspection, Lordship. The bills that we are raising. The bills that we are raising is from March 2023, since August 2024. Now here, the inspection that has been made, the surprise visit of the spot inspection that has been made, that has been indicated in this affidavit, Your Lordship. The dates has also been clearly stated. That is So the veracity, how come this, when if it has to be ascertained, it has to be ascertained long back. The applicant who has filed an application for disclaimer, they also ought to have come up with this
You have charged security bills till current date.
current till August and the September part, 17th.
This property was being secured till August. This jungle grew overnight, within a month. This jungle grew within a month.
Lordship, that is the boundary.
Grow a jungle and show it to me within a month.
Boundary, but the point is that, Lordship, personally, I have not been there. But the point
Obviously, you were not there. Why should you be there?
Your Lordship, since it's the boundary, the outside the boundary that have instructed the security guards do remain. But what is the position? Because the dates that they have mentioned in the affidavit, it's after your Lordship passed that order on 12th. This is on Kaitu.
So, do you say there were security guards posted there or not?
Lordship,
I am not interested in evasive things.
Lordship, according
Whether they were security guards or not.
to our submission,
You are charging till your security guard is charging till current date. You never took the trouble of going there once even.
Lordship, sometimes
If this is the condition of that property, how can they charge current bills?
Lordship, that is this is the property, the boundary wall, your Lordship, is surrounding the property. The property where the jungle is, that is not the exact property. It is the outside the boundary wall. This is the boundary wall, your Lordship.
This is supposed to be the gate.
No, gate is this one. This one is the gate.
Which page?
This is pagination is not there.
Which photograph? First or second or third?
Second one, as I presume, your Lordship, I think this is the gate.
Yes.
And the jungle is around the property. Jungle is the property where the jungle is. That is not the property.
Achha, let us come to the next question.
This is
What about the overlap?
there is no overlap because, your Lordship,
Hmm.
if my Lord peruses the affidavit of 21st August.
What is this, ma'am? Don't do like this. Don't flutter in court.
Lordship,
You're not a butterfly.
I'm sorry, your Lordship.
Please stop doing this to court. Yes.
Now, this is this 21st of August affidavit, paragraph 12.
That is after 2nd of May.
Absolutely. But that has been indicated in this paragraph that since until before 21st of May, the fund position has fallen. On 21st May, there was a direction to file a separate subsequent.
Please explain why these two charts in the second yesterday's affidavit. I'm not interested. I'll not be bothered by the 21st August. Please explain why there are two statements of expenses. Page 2 and page 3.
Is the expenses that is the expenses till that is the expenses that is till 8th of July 2024, because 8th of July 2024 the chart that we have given in 21st August, that chart only we have indicated it here. That is simply a
Why do you include the amount from March 2023 till 8th of July in the next chart also? Why is there a double charging?
double chart.
Please come to the second chart.
I'm coming.
What are you saying, ma'am? Can't you see there are two? There is an overlap. Please see page 2 first. There's a limit to everything. Page 2 shows the security expenses already incurred to be 58,643.
Already incurred.
Now here you have added very skillfully this January 23 and February 23. That was not there in the previous day. On the previous day, the entire security expenses was shown as 58,643. Now in this chart, you have added that this was only for January and February.
Lordship, that is
Why do you change this? You have not changed. Please look at this.
we have
I changed. Let's look at that. You're an advocate and officer of the court. Shit. Look at that.
Lordship,
Look at the chart. Stop your big mouth. Look at that. And look at this. Data. That is the line for the court. Don't defend to an extent, ma'am. There's a limit to everything. Don't lie before the court. I'll haul you off for 340. You have added January and February 2023 for the same amount. On the previous day, 21st of August, the entire security expenses was depicted at 58,000 something. In the second day, yesterday's, you have shown the same amount for the same period, but you have added January and February only. If you don't understand, Mr. Ghosh will make you understand.